Hi everyone, I am Jitendra Badaik. The topic of my video is pair of linear equations in two variables. In this topic, we will learn about general form of pair of linear equation in two variables, and we will learn the graphical representation of pair of linear equation in two variables. The general form of pair of linear equation in two variable is a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0, where a1 is coefficient of x, b1 is coefficient of y, and c1 is constant term. Similarly, a2 is coefficient of x, b2 is coefficient of y, and C2 is constant term. Now we will learn graphical representation of pair of linear equation in two variable. Let us consider two equation x plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0 and 2x plus 2y minus 6 equal to 0. For representing these equation in graph, we have to find at least three solution of each of the equation. Let us consider equation first, that is x plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. This is first equation. As we know that we have to find the three solution of each of the equation, so we have to find three solution of equation first. So equation first can be written as x plus 2y equal to 4 and x equal to 4 minus 2y. Let us assume y is equal to 0, then value of x will be 4 minus 2 into 0. Then it will become 4 minus 0, then 4. Therefore, when we will consider y is equal to 0, then the value of x will be 4. So, in this table, we will write y is equal to 0, then the value of x will be 4. Similarly, when we will put y is equal to 1, then the value of x will be 2. Similarly, if you will put y is equal to 2, then the value of x will be 0. Therefore, the three solution of equation first is mentioned in given table. Now we have to find three solution of second equation, and our second equation is x plus 2y minus 6 equal to 0. It can be written as 2x equal to 6 minus 2y. Again we can write it 2x equal to, if you will take 2 as a common, then it will become 3 minus y. Now x equal to, we can write here 2 into 3 minus y divided by 2. 2 will cancel. Therefore, x equal to 3 minus y. This is another table for equation 2. From this equation, when we will put y is equal to 0, then the value of x will be 3, and if we will put y is equal to 1, then value of x will be 2, and if we will put the value of y is equal to 2, then value of x will become 1. Therefore, this table shows the three solution of equation 2. Now we have to represent these solutions of equation in Cartesian plane. This is our Cartesian plane where we have to represent the solution of these equation. Let us x and y is value of the solution, and we have to represent it in this Cartesian plane. So the value of x from table 1, that is the table of equation 2, is 4. The value of x is given here 4, so we will represent a point there is the value of x, that is 4. This is value of x, that is 4. Now value of y is 0, therefore 0 and this point will represent 4, 0. Another point is here, the value of x is 2 and value of y is 1. Value of x, the value of x is 2, but value of y is here 1. So this particular point will represent 2, 1. Another, here value of x equal to 0 and value of y equal to 2. So value of x equal to 0, this is the value of x, and y is equal to 2. This point will represent 0, 2. Now we have another equation, and the table for another equation is mentioned here. According to this table, x equal to 3, 2 and 1, and y is equal to 0, 1 and 2. Let us put this value on this Cartesian plane. The value of x is 3, this is the value of x, and the value of y is equal to 0. So this particular point will represent 0, 3. This point represent 0, 3. Another solution is here, x equal to 2, this is x equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. This is same, this one is same. Point will represent for equation 2 also. Another one is the value of x equal to 1, this is value of x, that is this is equal to 1, and value of y, that is given 2. So this particular point will represent 1, 2. Thus this line will represent the equation x plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0, and this line represent 2x plus 2y minus 6 equal to 0. This is the graphical representation of equation 1 and 2, and equation 1 is x plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0, and equation 2 is 2x plus 2y minus 6 equal to 0. Thank you. In next video we will learn method of solving pair of linear equation in two variable by graphical method. We will learn on that particular video what is the step to find the solution of pair of linear equation in two variable by graphical method.